How to fix Windows stuck at 0% or any other percentage. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Windows stuck at 0 or any other percentage. So if your Windows update is getting stuck or is taking more than usual time, this is what you can do. The first step is you'll need to search for Troubleshooter on your Windows search bar. So simply search for Troubleshooter and you'll find Troubleshoot settings. So you can hit enter after you do that and it will take you to this section right here. Here, if you directly see an option that says Windows Update, you can tap on Run there. Or if you don't see it and you see other troubleshooters, tap on it. After that, you'll find Windows Update and then you'll see Run option. Simply tap on Run to start troubleshooting your Windows Update. After you tap on Run, it will just start scanning for any issues or any problems that Windows Update might have. And if there is any problem, what it does is it simply starts resolving it. It troubleshoots it. And after doing that, your problem should get fixed. So after that, if your problem still persists, what you can do is you can simply open up your run. To open up your run, simply type in Windows plus R key together. And here what you'll need to do is simply search for services.msc. Hit enter after you search for that. And here you'll find all the services that's going on. Now here you'll need to scroll down until you get to this Windows section where you'll find Windows Update. So simply double tap on Windows Update and this should open up. Now under startup type, here you'll find manual or automatic delayed start or disabled. What you'll have to do is you'll simply have to change it to automatic. Then tap on apply and then tap on OK. After doing that, you can restart your device once if you want to, and then your problem will get fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.